Hello everyone. So today's video is my favorite EDS life hack. So the first one I'm going to talk about is because it made the biggest difference to my family. And that is electrolytes. My daughter was at the point she was passing out, getting really dizzy on a regular basis, and all of us would easily get dehydrated. This was before we found out about EDS, and it was even at the point it was affecting her schooling, and because of that we've been able to get her a service dog in training. But even then, if she doesn't get this, the service dog in training can't help her as much. It just alerts her she's getting dehydrated. So we've tried the Extend products, are the only ones that she's been able to handle so far. I did check, they do have a referral / rewards program, and I'm going to put the link in the description. If you follow that link, you'll get $20 off, and I'll get some from it too. You can sign up for the same program, so no, this is not sponsored, but I do get rewards from that, and I'm going to be very honest about that. That can actually let me try some of the other drinks they have there to see if she can handle them, because we haven't tried them yet. The next major thing that's helped us is PT. I'm actually at the point where my hips aren't out all the time, different things like that, but I wouldn't be there without physical therapy. So that has been huge to us and in improving our health. Along those same lines, I have a vibration machine that I use when I'm in a bad flare, things like that, or don't have time, etc. I got one that's big enough that I can lay on it, my shoulders will be on it, and my hips will be on it. And I've watched and talked to the PT about it. It actually works the muscles I need worked, especially my stomach muscles are weaker than my back muscles. And so when I'm laying on that, my back muscles relax. And so it's my stomach muscles that are working. So that's been very helpful. Another thing is having somewhere you can connect with socially and interact. I'm going to put a link to the Spoonies Unite Discord. I actually was just made a moderator today and had planned this video before, but I'm going to put a link to that in the comments. They have vent channels, help each other out, homework help, the works. And they even have a channel called The Void that you can comment in, and no one can read it. It's locked to everyone. So one thing about that, though, if you use The Void, I would recommend putting like dots for a little while and then put your comment in, because I have noticed that if people have notifications turned on for The Void, which sometimes people still do, it will come up on their screen. They'll see like the first couple of sentences. So just a heads up there. But it's great to be able to have somewhere when you, one, don't want anyone else to know and just need to get it out, or it's really negative and you need to get it out, different things like that. That can be very helpful. Along the same lines, Facebook groups, things like that can be helpful there too. On another front, cleaning. We have 7 people in our house. So I recently got a robotic vacuum like a Roomba, and we can let that run during the night. And that reduces the amount we need to vacuum. It's got a small dust cup, so we still need to vacuum once in a while. But looking for things like that. I also recently got, even more recent than the vacuum, got a Bissell lift-off steamer that I can use even on like the tiles in the bathroom and on furniture, different things like that. Watch for things like that. If you have the money, and I know money's tight for many of us, it can't hurt to try something like that. Or if you get a chance to ask for something like that for a present, different things like that. Or if you know someone, you have the money, you don't have EDS, but you know someone with EDS and you're trying to help them, maybe getting them something like that for a birthday present or a Christmas present, etc., may actually help them out. So I hope that helped, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.